Watch the full video please.
Sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
This man got mad hair. You gonna cut them joints? Yo, he the king of Washington styles, bro. King of Washington styles, I ain't gonna lie. He be doing mad weird stuff. Yo, he got the best lathering, bro. Like, he be adding oil. Yo, I'm gonna have to steal that technique right there. Add some oils to my shampoo so my scalp won't be as dry. Bro, that lather looks so freaking good, bro. Like, y'all don't understand how much I love to see the lather. If I don't see the lather, you're not doing anything to me, bro. Like, in my eyes, you're not doing anything. You're just brushing your hair with a little bit of shampoo in it. It has to lather. If it don't lather, go home, go to sleep. Yo. Dang, you really gonna bounce back from that, bro? Sheesh. Oh, okay, I see him in there. I see him. Great lather, from me. Great lather. Okay, who is that? Who is this person? Look like he know what he doing. Okay, put the do-rag on. Oh, what in the... That's tough. That's tough. I gotta give it... Oh, my G's, that's tough. Oh, dang. That washing style. Let me see the unrag. Oh, yeah. Definitely some of the best waves I've ever seen. Dang, look at that shine. Look at that connection. Oh, it's 1 for it right there. But I'm sure he gonna break that. He's spinning. Look at his crown. Look at the definition. Oh, man. That's tough. The silkiness. Everything. Shit.
Alright, this is curls to wave in 60 seconds. So
He gonna get waves. But one thing I want to say is, if he says like for part 2 or anything with part 2, oh, his water lighting up.
Get shampoo and just
I am going to
all in your hair.
go on his page and like curse him out or something, cause I really he's hyping me up right now. I really want to see the results. It looking like his hair look like a mushroom right now, but definitely look like he's gonna get some waves in there, cause his hair is curly. Okay,
And then you'll be
but he better not say like for part 2. If he say like for part 2, I'm just gonna have to blow his page up, man.
a do-rag.
The video's almost over. He didn't even rinse his hair out yet. So what I'm looking for right now, I like how his sink lights up when the water comes out. But I want to see.
I'm gonna wait a few hours and come
Oh my god, I want to. Oh man. Alright, so this is part 2. I'm so upset that I had to go on his page and scroll down to just look for part 2. But I did it anyway. Yeah, see, they in there. I already know he gonna get waves. Look at that curl. Look at those curls. He's a medium textured hair type. Like, you don't even need to try, man. Like, I hate y'all because y'all cheating. Like, I gotta work hard for my waves. You gonna get waves either way because you already got curls. Curls are just laid down curls, guys. Waves are just laid down curls, guys. His waves are gonna be nice and wide too. Or maybe he's a straight hair. I don't know. Oh, hold up. Maybe I might be wrong. Because I see nothing. He got that cotton. Let me see. You better not say, you better not say part 2. If you do, bro, I'm unfollowing you. I don't even follow you, but I'm gonna follow you and unfollow you. There you go. That's what's up. I don't know. They in there though, but your waves are bad. He don't even got no waves. What you talking about? He ain't had waves in 5 months. I don't know. They still in there? Yeah, I can see them right there. I see them. All you gotta do is lay them joints down. He look like he know what he doing. He about to prove somebody wrong. That's gonna look like a mushroom top though, cause he got mad hair. I'm mad right now, bro, because I had to scroll through your freaking TikTok page just to look for part 2, bro. I don't care what you gotta say, bro. Let me see them waves. Get it. I don't care. I ain't gonna follow you because you had to make me look for a part 2. I ain't gonna keep scoring, but you better unrag. That's what I know. And that just better look good. Okay, you got it. You got it. I still don't. I'm still not cool with you because you made me. You got my hopes up, and then you made me wait for a part 2. The back don't look that good though. But yo, that's decent, bro. He ain't have waves for like 5 months. He grew his hair out, and the waves were still in there. The curls were still in there. All he had to do was lay it down.
If y'all wanna see more waves video, like comment.
Oh yeah, my boy developed. Ooh, look at that tornado. Yo, you about to flood. Yo, stop playing. Chill. Don't do that no more. Dang, look at that Lather cut. Oh, that didn't look nice. Now he trying to lay his head down. Not even trying. He doing it. Ooh, look at that. I have the hurricane. Y'all see that? Add some more water. Alright, put some more shampoo and brush that jump back. Oh man, he got the washing style down pat. I don't even want to see the unrag. I don't want to see the unrag because I already know. I already see it. Curls to waves in 60 seconds. Ooh, dang. Curls to waves in 60 seconds. You better not say like for part 2. You better not say like for part 2. Wet your hair. I feel like he gonna have a mushroom top because this junk, he need to cut that because it's too long. But he definitely gonna get waves. He already got curls. If he could get a good lay down.
And just brush it down.
Nah, see, I could already see it. And all he gotta do is lay that junk down in the right pattern.
For like a few minutes.
He gonna be spinning.
And then
See, like, look at that mushroom top. See that mushroom top? A boo-wag. Put it on. Ooh, that's a shoky. He know his do-rags. But nah, I wish he had the 2-6 King Wavy do-rag on, you feel me? I respect that. 2-6 King Wavy. None of that other none 2-6 King Wavy do-rags. Yeah, it's in there. That's tough.
Alright, this is curls to waves.
Curls to waves in 60 seconds. Look at the next video, see my waves. Okay. At least he ain't, wait to the end to tell me life for part 2. He life for part 2, man. He let me know in the beginning, so I don't get my hopes up, you feel me? Now I know I gotta go to the next video to see his results. I appreciate that, man. Y'all need to take notes, man. Tell me ahead of time and not get me hyped, you feel me? But hey, man, your hair not lathering. You need to add more shampoo.
Alright, now just keep brushing for like a few
when your hair don't
minutes,
lather, it makes the video wet, you feel me? You gotta make it lather.
Alright, so after you've been brushing for like
But I do see them in there, though. They kinda in there. Okay. Got the shoky. Put that junk on. Alright, man, I'll see you on part 2 because he doing the part 2.
Wash the shampoo out of your hair with
I want to see the result. Oh, this is part 2, guys. He definitely wavy. Definitely 180 waver from the washing style, and he don't even brush. So, big ups, man. That's tough. It's tough. Hey, man, this dude name is Wave Poppy, man. He should change his name to Lather King Poppy. Like, look at that lather. Do you see the lather? Do you hear it? Do you hear? Listen, bruh, that's crazy. Look at that lather. Yo, that's tough.
Alright, this is curls to wave.
Curls to waves, and is it even gonna wave up? I want to say one thing and one thing only. If you say life for part 2, if you say there's another part 2 coming, I'm not even gonna watch the results. Alright, this is gonna be the only video. I don't care about the results if you say part 2. But I see the curls coming in. I'm getting my hopes up now. You better not say life for part 2, because if you do, we're gonna have a problem.
Alright, now just
is that a comb? If that's a comb, you're doing it wrong. That's a comb or a little brush.
Brushing for like 10 minutes or so. Just grab me one of these.
Hey, you look like Rock Lee with that little, feel me? Nah, his waves, he probably gonna have like 2 waves in there. Alright, so we almost done.
Alright, now I'm gonna wait a few hours and come back with the result.
Bro, I'm about to, oh wow, I was about to push the crap out of this dude through the phone, bro. Let me see the unwrap. Oh, okay, nice.